Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel solution series. So today video is about Laravel validations. So you face this issue HTML special character on the validations, right? So let me show you that what's the error and how we can solve this issue. So I have applied a validation on this form. So let me go to the controller here. So here this one contain an array and here I pass this value, right? So let's go here, and here I'm validating this first index, and then I'm checking that if it's required, and it's also should be array and minimum would be 2, right? So it's a simple validation. So when I applied this validation, it's going to stop working. Why? Let's first check this. So let's click on this save. So it's going to throw us an error. Wait for a moment, and yes, it's throwing the HTML special character exception. Why it's throwing the HTML special character exception? Because we are validating our user request that if it's contain the array and it would be a minimum 2, then we are going to it's basically catching the error and then returning back to this create view and want to display the validation, but there is some mistake, that's why it's unable to catch the validations, and then it's throwing this error. So how we can fix this issue? So it's returning on this create page, and here we pass this value attribute, right? So where we are getting this old TW name value, TW price value, and notes value. Here we are adding this TW name as array, so we need to also add this here as an array. So let's add this by default 0 index first. Okay, you need to also add this 0 index, so then it's not going to throw this exception because it's checking that it's adding this old value, and this old value contain the string, but in the input field there is an array. That's why it's throwing this error. So let's get refresh, and yes, now it's working. So if I go here and click on this save all, so then it's going to throw us validation without any exception. Oh, it's still throwing the exception. Why it's throwing this exception? Because I have added these fields in the, let me go down in the jQuery. So here I have also added these fields, so I need to also add this here. Oops, I missed this here. Okay, so if you don't know how to render multiple forms using jQuery, so I shooted another video on it, so you can check this out. So I described this in the previous video, right? So let's go here and give it a refresh and check that is it working. Please wait, and no error. So let's click on this again and submit it. Okay, now it's returning back, and yes, now it's throwing the exact validation error, right? So name.0. So why it is displaying the 0? Because we added this 0 index. So you can also customize this message, right? Hope you get an idea that how you can remove this array, remove this error. So subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected for more Laravel solutions. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.